Stone crushers and heavy machinery at the world's largest construction sites. Heavy-duty stone crushers and heavy machinery are essential in construction and mining industries for crushing large materials to manageable sizes. Let's have a look at some of the most powerful ones in today's video. 1. FTB 1550 Tracked Scalper Screen. The FTB 1550 Tracked Scalper Screen is a robust and versatile machine designed to handle difficult terrain and heavy-duty screening tasks. Weighing 32,000 kilograms and powered by a 110 kVA generator, this machine boasts a high production capacity of 220 to 400 tons per hour. This machine is indispensable for quarries and large-scale construction projects. 2. Pronar Pro S1 Shredder. The Pronar Pro S1 Shredder is designed for heavy-duty applications, offering exceptional shredding capabilities for various materials, including wood, metal, and construction debris. Measuring approximately 50 feet in length and weighing around 30 tons, this machine weighs as much as 5 elephants. It's easy to transport and deploy in different work environments. The Pro S1 is equipped with advanced control systems for monitoring and adjusting shredding parameters, making it a reliable and versatile solution for waste management and recycling operations. 3. PowerScreen 1300 MaxTrack. The semi-trailer-sized PowerScreen 1300 MaxTrack is a high-performance cone crusher designed for secondary and tertiary crushing applications. It features a 1,300mm diameter cone and can process a wide range of materials, delivering high-quality, consistent products. The MaxTrack's advanced control system ensures optimal performance and has a maximum throughput of up to 386 tons per hour. This machine is ideal for large-scale mining and quarrying operations, offering reliability and efficiency. 4. SANY SYB35. The SANY SYB35 breaker is a compact and powerful attachment designed for the SANY SY35U mini excavator. It weighs about 861 kilograms and operates with an impact rate of 350 to 700 blows per minute, making it ideal for breaking concrete and rock. Its robust design ensures durability, while the high-impact energy and reliable performance make it suitable for various construction and demolition applications. Just have a look at it working. Five. Herbst Hack 900 Crusher. The Herbst Hack 900 Crusher is a versatile and compact machine designed for crushing a variety of materials, including stone, concrete, and asphalt. With a jaw size of 900 by 600 millimeters, it can handle large chunks of material, reducing them to smaller, more manageable sizes. The machine is mounted on a chassis with heavy-duty tracks, providing excellent mobility and stability on rough terrain. 6. Louis Gong Crawler Excavators. Louis Gong Crawler Excavators are renowned for their durability and versatility. Available in various models and sizes, these excavators are equipped with powerful engines and advanced hydraulic systems, providing exceptional digging force and efficiency. The heavy-duty crawler tracks ensure excellent stability and mobility even on challenging terrain. Louis Gong's excavators are designed for a wide range of applications, from construction and mining to forestry and demolition, offering reliable performance and ease of operation. 7. Fabo MCK90 Mobile Crushing and Screening Plant. The Fabo MCK90 Mobile Crushing and Screening Plant is a highly efficient all-in-one solution for primary and secondary crushing and screening. It features a robust design with a jaw crusher, impact crusher, and vibrating screen integrated into a single chassis. This mobile plant can process up to 200 tons per hour, making it ideal for medium-sized projects. This plant integrates multiple crushing and screening stages into a single compact unit, making it ideal for aggregate production and recycling. 8. Senebogen 822G Recycler. The Senebogen 822G Recycler is a versatile material handler designed for recycling operations. Weighing around 25 tons and measuring approximately 30 feet in length, it's similar in size to a large truck. The machine's robust design and powerful hydraulic system enable it to handle various recycling tasks, including sorting and loading materials. Its elevated cab provides excellent visibility, enhancing operator efficiency and safety. Nine. Peterson 6710D Horizontal Grinder. The Peterson 6710D is a high-capacity horizontal grinder designed for heavy-duty grinding tasks. Weighing around 55 tons and measuring approximately 80 feet in length, it's comparable to the length of a standard semi-trailer. This grinder's powerful engine and advanced grinding technology ensure efficient processing of large volumes of wood and green waste, making it ideal for forestry and biomass production. Ten. Alu Transformer Screener Crusher. The Alu Transformer Screener Crusher is a versatile attachment designed for screening and crushing applications. It can be mounted on excavators, loaders, and other heavy machinery, providing a cost-effective solution for various materials, including soil, gravel, and construction debris. The transformer features a unique design that allows for simultaneous screening and crushing, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for multiple machines. "11. Titan VZ950. Now you're looking at the Titan VZ950, a powerful shredder designed for heavy-duty applications. With dimensions comparable to a large truck, it measures around 26 feet in length and 9 feet in width. This machine can handle a large variety of materials, including metals, plastic and organic waste. With its twin-shaft design providing robust cutting power, its high throughput capacity and ability to process tough materials make it ideal for recycling centers and waste management operations. Doosan Hydraulic Excavator DX225. The Doosan DX225 is a powerful hydraulic excavator, ideal for construction and earth-moving tasks. Weighing around 22.1 tons, it measures approximately 31.2 feet in length, 10.3 feet in width, and 10.2 feet in height, roughly the size of a large SUV. It is equipped with a 166 horsepower engine, offering excellent digging force and operational efficiency, perfect for medium to large-scale excavation projects. TESAB 700IE Hybrid Electric Jaw Crusher. Have a look at the TESAB 700IE, a hybrid electric jaw crusher combining diesel and electric power for efficiency and environmental benefits. It measures around 51.5 feet in length, 9.8 feet in width, and 12.8 feet in height, comparable to a semi-truck. The machine offers a production rate of up to 350 tons per hour, making it suitable for high-capacity crushing operations. PE 400-600 First Jaw Crusher. The PE 400-600 jaw crusher is a compact yet powerful crusher designed for smaller scale crushing projects. With dimensions of approximately 5.5 feet in length, 6.5 feet in width, and 4.3 feet in height, it is about the size of a small car. It features a 30 horsepower motor and a crushing capacity of 16 to 60 tons per hour, which makes it ideal for medium-sized crushing tasks. Sandvik UJ540E Mobile Jaw Crusher. The Sandvik UJ450E is a heavy-duty mobile jaw crusher designed for high production rates. Measuring around 62 feet in length, 13 feet in width, and 13.6 feet in height, it is as big as a double-decker bus. Powered by a 500 horsepower engine, it offers high capacity and efficient crushing capabilities, making it suitable for large-scale mining and quarrying operations. Locotrack LT106 Mobile Jaw Crusher. The Locotrack LT106 is a mobile jaw crusher known for its compactness and efficiency. It measures approximately 50 feet in length, 9.8 feet in width, and 11.2 feet in height, similar to a medium-sized truck. Equipped with a 224 horsepower engine, it provides excellent crushing performance, which is ideal for urban construction and demolition projects. GRYB Concrete Pulverizer. The GRYB concrete pulverizer is a powerful attachment for excavators and is designed for efficient concrete crushing. It is typically used with excavators in the 20 to 30 ton range, making it suitable for medium to large demolition jobs. Its robust construction allows it to crush concrete with ease, improving efficiency and productivity on the job site. CBI horizontal grinder. The CBI horizontal grinder is a high-capacity machine designed for heavy-duty wood and waste processing. Measuring about 50 feet in length, 10 feet in width and 12 feet in height, this machine is as big as a large shipping container. Powered by up to 1,050 horsepower, it can process a wide variety of materials at high throughput rates, making it ideal for large-scale recycling and waste management operations. Woodland Mills Sawmill HM122. The Woodland Mills HM122 is a compact yet efficient sawmill, perfect for small to medium-sized wood-cutting tasks. With dimensions of approximately 10 feet in length, 5 feet in width and 6 feet in height, it is about the size of a small trailer. It can handle logs up to 22 inches in diameter, providing a reliable solution for small-scale lumber production. Edge Trommel Screen TRM831. The Edge TRM831 trommel screen is a robust screening machine designed for high-volume material separation. Its dimensions are 48 feet in length, 8.5 feet in width and 13 feet in height, making it comparable in size to a large RV. It features a 5.5-foot diameter drum and can process up to 270 cubic yards of material per hour, making it ideal for large-scale composting and waste processing. H425 Harvester Head. The H425 Harvester Head by John Deere is a powerful and efficient tool designed for handling large trees. It is suitable for base machines like the 1270G and 1470G and excels in felling operations where tree diameters range from 250 to 500 millimeters. With a weight of 1,360 kilograms, it can cut diameters up to 710 millimeters easily. OJK Ditch Excavator. First up, let's talk about the OJK Ditch Excavator. Don't let its compact size fool you. This four-legged machine from Seiko is a game changer. Its small footprint is its strength, making it perfect for tight spots and challenging terrains. Cat 992K. The Cat 992K dump truck from Caterpillar is built to work hard in places like rock quarries, mines, and big construction sites. What sets it apart? Well, it's got top-notch safety features like a collision warning system, a rear-view camera, and a safety tether to keep the operator safe while on the job. LH Material Handler. Next is the new LH Material Handler by Liebherr, designed especially for handling waste. The These machines are tough and versatile, perfect for dealing with all sorts of waste like trash from homes, building sites, factories, and stuff that can be recycled. Four, POS Lentis Carrio Woodworking Machine. This is a handy tool for people in the woodworking business. It's good at cutting wood and easy to move around. Plus it can do the job of both sawing and chipping wood, saving time and effort. After cutting, its smart system moves the logs to where they need to be, making work easier and more efficient. 5. LZR Machine. Next up, check out the LZR machine from the Japanese company Niplo. It's a special agricultural machine used to make rice ridges in hilly rice fields. That's how Japanese farmers set up their field borders. Pretty clever, right? Six, MC130. Take a look at the compact MC130. It comes with a strong and fuel-efficient Yanmar diesel engine that meets Stage 5 standards. It's the only one of its kind in the under 3.5-ton category. With its double cabin, this machine stands out for its great mix of power and fuel efficiency. Seven, D11T Caterpillar Bulldozer. In the world of city cleaning, the D11T Caterpillar Bulldozer is a force to be reckoned with. It can crush any soil or rock thanks to its mighty 850 horsepower engine. Engineers have added Acer technology to boost its performance, save fuel, and cut down on emissions. Eight, Vermeer TG5000. Vermeer is stepping up its game with its new electric handling equipment that packs 250 horsepower. This machine is perfect for handling various materials like compost and wood, so it's a great choice for companies dealing with organic materials. Nine, RWE100 Cutting Wheel. Moving on, we have the RWE100 cutting wheel. It's a strong and efficient tool made for digging and trenching in construction and utility projects. This cutting wheel works great on machines like excavators and backhoes. With its tough build, you can count on it to work well even in tough conditions. 10. Terramac RT14R track vehicle. This beast is a tough machine made for heavy jobs in rough terrain. It has sturdy tracks which can easily move over muddy or rocky surfaces, giving it great grip and stability. Libra 922 Rail Electronic Excavator. The Libra 922 Rail Electronic Excavator by Liebherr is a special two-way excavator made for working on both roads and railways. This unique machine combines the power of a regular excavator with the ability to safely run on train tracks because of its special chassis system. Next D250 excavator. Now, what's so cool about the Next D250 machine? Well, it's an excavator having its own digging disc. It can dig trenches that are up to 30 centimeters deep and between 12 to 25 centimeters wide. Plus, it's got a unique look that sets it apart. TZM 1475 XL Evo Chainsaw. This high-tech tool is made for digging trenches quickly and accurately. With its special high-speed cutting chain, this chainsaw attachment can cut through all sorts of tough rocks and materials when digging trenches. UCK machine. The UCK machine is a real game changer on both land and water. With its massive size, over 30 meters long and 12 meters wide, it's perfect for moving big military equipment in all kinds of places. Thanks to its special wheels, it can move smoothly on water and sandy beaches. This powerful machine can even handle heavy tanks, powered by 4 diesel engines. Quite impressive indeed. Katsu PC2000. With its huge 12 cubic meter capacity and strong engine, the Katsu PC2000 looks like a big hand, ready to scoop up anything on a construction site. When teamed up with the powerful HD785 track, they make a great pair that speeds up digging in muddy areas. D10 Bulldozer. Next, the D10 Bulldozer can push a force of 10,000 kilograms, making it perfect for coal mining and other land development jobs. When it comes to moving coal, this bulldozer works hard and gets the job done quickly and reliably, without extra energy expenditure. Talk about efficiency! T655 Trencher. The T655 Trencher is a tough machine, made for heavy-duty trenching. With its advanced features, it can cut through even the hardest soils easily. It's a must-have tool for both construction and farming jobs. It comes with electronic level control and a digital display to make operating and monitoring it even easier. John Deere 1050K Dozer. Changing gears, we have the strong and versatile John Deere 1050K Dozer, made for big construction jobs. As one of the newest models in John Deere's K-Series, it comes packed with advanced features for top-notch performance and comfort. Inside the cabin, you'll find adjustable air suspension seats, a clear instrument panel, climate control, plenty of storage, and even a Bluetooth-enabled sound system. Cat 637D Scraper. This large machine is perfect for construction sites, like the one in Lake Elena, California. One of its standout features is its strong pulling power. Plus, it's built to handle all sorts of conditions, from wet and muddy to dry and dusty, making it a great choice for different construction projects and environments. How amazing is that? Conrad HL 20-in-1 Harvester. The Conrad HL 20-in-1 Harvester is a 6-wheel machine designed for cutting down trees in medium to large forests. This powerful harvester can efficiently cut both hardwood and softwood trees and shrubs. Due to its balanced weight, optimized ground pressure, and excellent traction, it can work well even on soft soil. T14R Dump Truck. Now there's the P&O's new Panther Series T14R dump truck. It weighs 13.2 tons and has a strong 275 horsepower Caterpillar engine. It can speed up to 13 kilometers per hour when it's empty. Even at a slower 5 kilometers per hour, it can climb steep hills, and it's 5% faster than the old model. Now that's an impressive upgrade. 22. Cat 640 Excavator. This big machine is made for heavy mining and digging jobs. It's one of the largest hydraulic excavators around, weighing 1,400 tons. It has a huge bucket that can hold a lot of material. With its powerful hydraulic system, it helps workers move a lot of soil and rocks fast. #23. Valel Super 33i. Valel Super 33i is a small and handy machine that's great for all kinds of jobs. It's perfect for busy city areas where there's not much space. Because it's small, it can go into tight spots where bigger machines can't. It's designed to make smooth and level floors with the help of its precise motor. #24. Leaper 282 Mining Truck. Last but not least, we have the diesel-electric Leaper T282 mining truck. It is known for its huge carrying capacity and outstanding performance. It's a leader in the mining world, able to carry up to 400 short tons of material and zoom around at speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour. Designed for mining sites, these trucks make sure materials get moved quickly and on time. From powerful excavators to handy trenchers and strong mining trucks, these heavy machines are truly inspiring. They're not just huge, but they work well, do many jobs, and help build our world. So, which machine caught your eye the most today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you for watching.